Marketing go telang thang nai no shopping bo kelai nai no telang thang nai no gados bo pai nai no baby nangani kisha
lamsago khajani marketing sangrok norok pai tong kok brok ni tech and entertainment channel norok ni kaisa comment je ang live video khai pruwa bangma actor rok songni je video pruwa je lifestyle video pruwa je takuk aditoni takuk jemin chonni je lifestyle video tuburi hinai amone bagai tini norok ni bagai tini takuk jemin chen lifestyle video tubui pheka inga mon sai sekang norok takuna kok brok ni tech and entertainment channel no subscribe klai ko subscribe klai pani ang je pro video dawa upload daki na notification manai inga phada se kok salaya tini ni video no chang lai siwan ne Jepulin Simon Antini Takok, Jemin Chunni, real name Tama, Bini real name Guy Adito, Deborma, nickname Guy Adi, born date 22 February 1997, present age 23 plus, born place Jampuijala, district Sipahijala, height 5.3 inch, weight 54 kg, hair color dark brown, favorite food chess, pizza, paneer tikka, they select vegetables. Qualification, computer engineer, family member, bong family ojotai borok khorak bore, bini mom, bini dad, tai bini small brother, bini hobbies singkai, gym rok khainani, tai mobile game rok thungnani. Girlfriend ke bini kurui, bo single, bo first day to phayai bo music video like bini first music video ni bung ke baby
no hum dukshuna mai telang thang nai do you know I love you do you know I love you do you know I love you habano sia bole
bini last music video ke nagin
ya thek no bolin ng Jacqueline haike bisang no bolin ng Shri Devi haike ngani nagin one bag nung di two bag nung di three bag nung di fegui musadi ango ni ya romai fegui musanai nagin
gebo jotoi music video khlai bini total income amangkai 54,000 amana kari bo present bo kroksa actor the singer the business app brok khlai tongo ingkan rok saima kana chini takok jemin sani lifestyle rok khaklai rok video no saja kana nei o video saja kan kai 1000 likes supong ready khaklai rok video no 1000 likes supong ready wan hanai hanya rok next video malai pinai ambai